And let's start with just few deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now I want you to imagine that you are in a beautiful, beautiful forest. I want you to imagine the forest, the tall trees around you. I want you to feel the green grass underneath you, to feel the smell of the green, the flowers that are in the forest, to hear the birds, and just relax, relax your body. I want you to feel now that you are laying down on the grass, just letting your body melt in the grass and rest completely, completely rest. Feel the sensation of resting, of letting go of the burden of the stress. And now I want you to feel a ray of sunshine. Feel a ray of sunshine touching your skin, touching your body, and make you feel very comfortable, very safe, very nurtured. You can feel your body happy. And now I want you to feel this ray of sunshine entering inside of your head, touching your brain, touching the left side of the brain, the right side of the brain, touching your pituitary gland and activating your whole brain. I want you to feel this sun inside of your brain, balancing your right and left sides of the brain. And I want you now to smile to your brain. Smile to your brain and see how your brain is balanced, how your left side and right side is balanced. And smile here. And now I want you to feel this ray of sunshine going down, down, down through your lungs. Imagine your left lung, right lung filled with light. I want you to feel how the sadness, all the sadness that is stuck there, is now released from the lungs. And just smile to your lungs. See your lungs happy. See your lungs healthy. Create this state of happiness inside of your lungs. And see how all the sadness, all the grief, all the pain is now released from the lungs. We are going now more down and we are connecting with the kidneys. I want you to feel the left kidney, right kidney, and connect with your kidneys. Smile to your kidneys. Hey, I love you. I see you. You are so beautiful. You are so healthy. Connect with your adrenaline glands now, that they are above the kidneys. Hey, you are so healthy, I see you. Smile to your adrenaline glands. We are moving now, slowly, slowly in front of our body, feeling the ray of sunshine entering in our body through our heart. Feel light in your heart. Feel all the suffering releasing from your heart. Hey, dear heart, I see you. I release all the tension from my heart. Smile to your heart. Give your heart love and affection. We are going more down now and we are connecting with your stomach. Smile to your stomach. Hi, stomach. I see you healthy. I see you happy. I release all the tensions from my stomach, all the traumas that I couldn't process to be released now. Smile to your small intestine. Smile to your big intestine. Feel your intestine, how they are healthy, how they are function very good. Smile to your intestine. We are moving more down now. We are smiling to our reproductive system or our uterus. Hey, I see you, you're so healthy. You're so happy. Smile to your reproductive system. Send this energy of connection and love to your reproductive system. Now, smile to your spine. Thank you, spine, for helping me walk and for keeping my back straight. And feel your spine in each vertebra and smile to your spine. And now smile to your muscles, whole body muscles. Now smile to your bones, your cartilage, your tendons. Thank you for creating this body. And feel that ray of sunshine entering in every cell of your body. And you are now smiling to every cell of your body. You are now smiling to your skin, to your hair, to your eyes. And you are sending this beautiful energy of appreciation to your body, of understanding and of connection. Now, from this space of completely understanding and sending love and activation of your body, of awareness, I want you to stay and receive messages. Go there in the organs where you feel that you have more tension or more emotions that are stored. Maybe in your lungs if you feel more sadness, maybe in your heart if you feel grief and your incapacity to receive or to understand love. Go there and stay there and receive messages and breath. Connect with your inner wisdom. Listen what your organs, what your inner wisdom that is there in the organs wants to share, wants to speak with you. What emotions are coming or memories are coming from your body. Just stay there and watch and listen. Try to connect with your inner wisdom. Just choose one place where you go. Choose one area of your body where you stay there and connect. Can be also your shoulders if you have pain and tension in your shoulders. And try to understand and receive what you should think about it. What should you integrate? What should you work on now in your life? Your body is a channel of wisdom. Your body all the time will speak through you with sensations, emotions, words. Just listen. And we are staying here in this listening for 5 breaths. And when you are ready, you can slowly start to bring movement back in your body. Move your hands, move your legs, and just feel the sensations that you have now. Feel how connected are you with yourself, with your body. How can you understand now the messages? How now you are aware that your body speaks with you every moment, every day, and you are able to listen and take care of your body in a different way from now on. Thank you for doing this session. Thank you for being part of the Wisdom Within event. So, this was the second session. Don't forget that you have still 3 sessions to go because at the end, we want you to have this feeling inside of you that you now connect with your wisdom. You now know who you are. So it will be more difficult for you to be confused and get lost in this noise of society. So stay with us. We're gonna have so many beautiful things to share with you. We're gonna speak next about how what is the I and what is the soul, and how can you also understand and work with energy, like simple energy, because we all have energy inside of us, but we are not aware of that. So more of the energy and more about the I and the soul in the next sessions. So we can still invite people to join if you want, and if you feel that this session was valuable for you, just share the link with people. We are still inviting people to join us until the last session, so the event is still open and still free if you want to invite some friends and or for like family, colleagues, doesn't matter. So I'm Junieta Sandu. Thank you so much for being today with me. Thank you for taking the time to do this session and connect profoundly with your wisdom. And yeah, I have so many things to share, but we're gonna go slowly, slowly, slowly. And thank you for being on this journey of self discovery and wisdom with me. And yes, I'm super excited that you are doing this. I'm super happy for you. So please keep doing, because if you are keep investing in yourself and keep understanding about who you are, you will make a better place and a better, you will create a better life for you, but also for the people around you. So yes, I truly, truly believe that every person, every one of us, it's so important on the earth, and every one of us has such a tremendous impact around us. But how we gonna how we gonna manage to have positive impact? It's working at us. If you are working at you, I'm working at you, together we can create a better world for us. So thank you for being here, and just take a moment to feel this gratitude for your body, gratitude for your presence, and bring your hands together. Namaste. And just bow down to your body, to yourself, and to everyone that was here in this circle. Thank you, and see you at the next session.